king size is our mantra, but we always keep your pocket in mind. Welcome to Life and Style. Here's what we've lined up for you. That was pampering at its best. But if you are someone who's always looking for some thrill and adventure, we have something for you too. Zorbing is a sport that is catching up in Mumbai, and if you want to know more about it, take a look. If you want to know how Jack felt while tumbling down a hill, you probably should try zorbing. Yes, there's a person seated in that big zorb ball. Zorbing is a sport of rolling down a hill inside a giant inflatable ball. The sport is popular in North India, but in Mumbai, this one seems to be the latest obsession.
Activities like this, if you notice, are in Manali or in Rishikesh kind of areas. So that same feeling the people can get it over here within Mumbai itself. So basically, they won't have to go to Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala and all, and they have all the facilities available within the city.
Zorb ride is just a fun adventure experience where you would be protected by a massive cushion of air whilst rolling down a hill. Take one of your friends in there and strap yourself to each of the sides of the giant ball. As you flip down, you will probably be laughing it out as you see the world around you go round and round.
Oh, it's so very nice, very good.
It's awesome inside. You go inside one time, it's like 360-degree down, and you get tumbled down. It's awesome over here.
Surely a great way to bust all the stress in a busy city like Mumbai. You have to shell out just 200 rupees per person to experience life inside a big round ball. Kamya Jani, UTVI, Mumbai. Isn't it a perfect sport to try out this weekend? Well, time to take another break on Life and Style, but when we come back, we get you an easy recipe of Japanese delicacy sushi at home and also some food to make you feel happy.